Hello and welcome. Now today I'm just going to show you a little tip, trick on how to put on your wheels when you got unilug. An easy way to do it, so to speak. So, let's just do it. It's pretty easy. So here's the catch. I've seen several people struggle when putting these in because they're like, it's because of the slots in it I have issues. So let's fix that up real quick. All right. So, got my lug nuts right here ready. Now the vehicle obviously is jacked up. There's a jack stand right there. I know I'm going to get condemned for this a lot, but you could either, you can wire your feet and hold it up like that, or you can still crisscross and do it either way. So I'm just going to line my studs up, get the wheel in. Alright, that's the easy part, obviously. Now this is where people have issues with the lug nuts, so what I like to do is get one straight up, lift it up just a hair, start a lug nut, and get it going in there pretty good. Where it's on there, you can kind of pull the wheel towards the end of the lug nut so you know it's on there. And spin it all the way around to the opposite one. And there's enough thread on there to get it started. And basically right there, I'm in the wheel. Now I'm not going to tighten it down, I just want to get a good few turns on there. Spin it around, get that other one to get a few good turns. Now you can also go ahead and start them all at once, like so. I just wanted to make sure I got enough threads, like this, and this. And this, okay. Now I got them all on there. And I just kind of lift up on the wheel and pull it towards the lug nuts. So that way all the lug nuts are actually sitting where they're supposed to. And then just go around, and I'm not getting any of them tight yet. I just wanted to make sure I had enough room to get them where they were going. Now that they're all pretty well there, star pattern. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just start the lug nut enough to get two of them going. So they're lined up with the slots, move them, start the other ones, make sure they're all on there. When you pull back on the wheel, it'll line up all of them, and then just tighten them down each side just a little bit at a time, and boom. And of course, like I said, then just proceed to your normal. But that's it. I hope this little tip helped you out. As always, thanks for watching.